Hey guys, this is Math Unmasked for Unit 8, Lesson 10. So today we are talking again about the mean or the average. Both those words mean the same thing of a set of data. Yesterday's lesson for Unit 8, Lesson 9 also talks deeply about the mean. So if you're having some confusion with that, you can do that. One way of looking at the mean is that it is a balancing point between data. And what do I mean by that? Well, let's take a look. This is Diego's walk to school measured in minutes. So we've got 5 different data points here. I'm going to go ahead quickly and make a dot plot of this data. So one walk was 12 minutes long, one walk was 7 minutes long, one walk was 13, one was 9, and one was 14. So let's go ahead and calculate our mean or our average right now. So I do that by taking all of my values, which in this case is 12, 7, 13, 9, and 14. I add them all together and then I divide by the number of data points. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 data points that I divide by. So 19, and if I add the 13 to that, 19 plus 13 is 32. If I add the 9 to that, that gives me 41. If I add the 14 to that, I get 55, right? So I have 55 minutes. If I split them up equally between all 5 walks, that would mean that there would be 11 minutes per walk. Now, obviously they're not equally spread out, but if they were, that average would be the 11. I'm gonna mark that with a triangle, just like we did in class, just like you would do on your homework tonight. Okay, so then we're asked to measure the distance from each of these data points to the mean. So we can kind of think about this as jumps in our number line, right? So if I look at 7, I'm going to do this in a different color so it jumps out at you a little bit. Okay, if I look at 7, 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps from 11. Okay, 9 is 1, 2 jumps from 11. And these are on the left side of this, right? So these two together means there's a total of 6 jumps to the left of that triangle, to the left of that average. These 3 data points are on the right side. 12 is 1 jump away, 13 is 2 jumps away, 14 is 3 jumps away. And again, you can see on the right side, there are 6 jumps combined from all of the data points there to that average. So it kind of balances out, right? This is a total of 6 jumps. This is a total of 6 jumps. So that mean can be interpreted as that balancing point. That's where we can balance all of the distances from the average on the side, all of the distances on the average. And usually, unless you have some significant outliers, that triangle is going to fall somewhere close to the middle of that data set, which is why we describe the mean as one of our measures of center or the measures of the middle of a data set. Good luck on building your own mean tonight.